Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make lemon mousse. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I post new videos every Monday, Thursday, and Saturday, so make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out. So let's get started. First, in a medium saucepan, add in the lemon zest, lemon juice, and half of the sugar, and place it onto the stove over medium heat. Stir the ingredients to combine them, and heat it until the mixture boils. Meanwhile, in a large bowl, add in the eggs and the rest of the sugar, and whisk them vigorously for a minute until it lightens in color. Once the mixture on the stove comes to a boil, slowly pour it into the egg and sugar mixture while whisking constantly. Then keep whisking until it's well combined. Then pour it into the saucepan and place it back onto the stove over medium heat and heat it until the mixture just starts to come to a simmer and thickens, whisking the whole time so it heats evenly and to prevent lumps. Then once it thickens, whisk it vigorously over the heat for another minute. Then remove it from the heat and place it into a bowl of ice water to let it cool quickly, and leave it in until the mixture is cold, stirring it occasionally. Once the mixture is cold, you can remove it from the ice water. And if you want it completely smooth, you can pass it through a fine sieve to strain out the lemon zest. Then into a medium bowl, add in the heavy cream, and whip it until it forms a soft peaks. Add a scoop of the whipped cream into the lemon mixture and mix to combine. Then add in the rest of the whipped cream and fold it in gently until it's just combined and there are no more streaks of white. Then wrap it in plastic wrap and refrigerate it for at least 3 hours until it's well chilled. Then once it's chilled, you can remove it from the fridge and scoop it into serving bowls. Then if you like, you can top it with whipped cream and grated lemon zest. And that's how to make lemon mousse. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I have so many more on my channel, so be sure to check them out and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.